Okay, right, dirty kitchen here, and I'm going to prepare trout this evening for dinner. And just quickly, we're going to cut some pears. We've got some brown pears, so hopefully you can see that there. I'm just going to dice up these pears. Just roughly dice the pears here. I'm using a Chigny knife made in Italy by the same guys that make box knives. Excellent, it's a nitrogen enhanced 1.446 steel. So we've got this pear. Okay, I want a lot of this Italian parsley. Chop some of that roughly there. All right, and then what we're going to do, we're going to come over here, camera, because we're going to put the trout in here, and we're going to cover the trout. This is homemade, what's called lutenica. You see that there? This is like a tomato, spicy tomato and pepper paste. I'm going to cover that. You see that there on the trout in a second. Got some pan-sized trout. Just gonna. This is really good stuff, and I'm going to put it on the inside. Lots of it in these fresh trout. I'm going to cover the outside too. Smear it all over them, like so, like that. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the pear, actually first the parsley, cover them in parsley too, just like this. Layer the pear all over the top. Hope you can see that there, cameraman. Cover that with pear. And the pear's going to keep it moist too. That pear gets baked under there, like that. Right, so that's all going to go into the oven. The oven's at 150 degrees C. There you go, you can see it in there. What I'm going to put some potatoes. I've parboiled some potatoes, and I'm going to put them around the trout. It's just been in there for a few minutes. That's all. So these are going into there. All right, let's close her up. And we're going to leave that for about an hour. Hold a second. Here it is here. Don't get too close. That's it there. So let me just take you through it here. So we've got potatoes, which I baked in there. The pears have started to brown up on there. So that's about it there now for that. And yeah,